Alright everybody, Blind Chris here with Blind Chris Outdoors, Summit Forward. Good girl. We're gonna go roll to a pond real quick. Good girl. And I'll show y'all how I cross the street. And left. Right. Good girl. Right. Good girl. Okay. Find it. Find it. Let's go. Alright, good girl. Forward, good girl. Alright, we're going that way, son. Alright. So I suppose I didn't explain that very much, but stop, listen, go. That bike's going forward. Good girl. So she knows where we're going. It's fun. And we're kind of jogging. Alright. Good girl. So anyway, it's not too far from the house where we're going. Fairly short walk. There you go, find it. Find it. How about that? Good girl, forward. Let's go. Good girl. Alright. Through the ditch, up the hill. Let's try right now, so you ought to be able to see something really good now. Forward. Some, okay. Good girl. So cautiously taking steps here. There's one. Another. Alright, go. Good girl. Up. Forward. Good girl. Alright, good girl. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Good girl. Alright, so that's one hill. So the next one's gonna hit or down. I'm gonna go to like two spots. I'm trying to think which one I want to go to first. I think I'm gonna go to my island. Thank you. Good girl. And show you all that. It got quite windy today. So hopefully this microphone isn't picking too much of it. Good girl. Girl. Low bridge. Ooh, that wind is sticking. Good girl. Find it left. Good girl. Oh yeah, she can't stand it. She was almost peeling out there. It's kind of funny. So this isn't the roughest of terrains, but from a blind person's standpoint, it's definitely not overly easy. Do it so much, it's kind of easy. Good girl. So here in a minute, we're going to be coming up on a pretty steep decline to get down to where we want to go. Good girl. Which, here we are. Good girl. Here. Woo-hoo. Good girl. Hang on. Cane tangled. Easy. Woohoo. So I have the wrong shoes on for this. That's why I'm slipping and sliding a little bit. Should have put some real boots on. Alright. Good girl. Nice and easy. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Okay, fine. What you got? Hop to it. Hop up. And go a little closer. Good girl. So, that's the pond. Good girl. Huh. So that's one part. There's another part over here I like to go fish too. Right over here. It's like right down here. That's my good girl. All right, back over here. Find the next spot. Got it? Good girl. That's a good girl. So over there's like a log pile. That holds some fish pretty often, but he also gets pounded by every single person that comes back here. So this fishing in this pond is like really tough. Real tough. I've caught some nice fish in here, but far and few between. Certain times of the year though, like now, and I can't fish because of my hand, I would actually probably do pretty good. Warm up in January in southeast Louisiana usually means the bass want to start biting along with sockeye. All right, well, we're going to the next spot. Okay, let's go. Good girl. Good girl. Finally out here. Good job. Good girl. So, I'm sure some of y'all might be thinking like, oh my God, he's walking through his weeds and stuff, and why is she not stopping? There's no way possible I'd ever get back here in a timely fashion if I made her stop for that. And I trust her, so she does really good. Good girl. Alright. Heading back up to our little hill up here. Nice and easy. Good girl. Alright. And this should give you a good vantage point of how straight up it is. Good girl, let's go. Good girl. Good girl, son. Yep, good girl. Alright, so it's like really skinny up here. So I'm naturally gonna brush into some things, but that's okay. Well, there's not a big limb bashing me in my head, I kinda don't care. Good job, good girl. Alright, good girl. So hopefully in a couple weeks when the brace comes off, let's keep on straight though. Hopefully when the brace comes off in a couple weeks, I'll be able to come back here and do a little fishing. And we'll see how that goes. Good girl. Easy. There you go. Good girl. Yeah, she's going the right way now. Good girl. So we have to walk into some more weeds up here. And there's a spot up here. A little bit on the LE Find it. Oh, that's it right there. Yep. Find it. Find it. Find it. Yeah, good girl. Find it. Alright, so this is where it gets interesting. Like, we were pretty straight down, so that's like straight and level, and then that's the angle I'm on, if that helps. So that's my good girl. I'm gonna take this off so it don't get dirty. Yeah, I need my left hand. I'm gonna show you how I find the pond now. At this point, she's cautious, so not sure if you can walk down there, right? I'm blind. I absolutely have no idea. So they say. So what I do is I just kind of shuffle my way down and poke it, and see my cane's staying pretty flat. It's a little deep. Nice little drop off right there. So I always kind of bang around here. In case there's any little critters hanging around that I don't want to fool with. And then down there, it is dry. So, that being said, I'm going to take a nice big lunge now. Slide down. One more step there. All right. And the water should be right up there somewhere. Yep. There it is. That's us. So, anyway, that's a good vantage point of this entire pond. It's a cool pond. Unfortunately, it's not a great pond. I wish it would do better. All right, guys. We just came back up the hill from that pond right there. Okay, let's go left. Left, left, left. Left. Yep, there we go. Good girl. So we're gonna go a different way out of here. Easy. Yeah, you know what? I said we're going a different way out here. We're going the wrong way. Nope, turn around. No, that way. Forward. Good girl. Wrong way. Going the other way, goofball. You spun me around. So, that's a great example of how a guide dog can goof you up a little bit. That was my fault, though. I should have checked to see where we were before we left. And we're facing the wrong way. That's okay. Passing up the spot we just went down to. Back at the starting point. Now we're going the right way. So remember, I'm blind. Can't say anything. So things like that happen, and that's okay. As long as you don't fail miserably at it. No bridge. It's not overly thick right now back here, but summertime it gets real green. So we're gonna go find this other trail on the way out of here. And see what happens. Guys, the wind's blowing like 20 miles an hour, so the audio's a little rough. Again, sorry. Sadly, this is with a microphone. If it's bad, I hope not. Okay, good girl. So there's a couple other spots along here I normally would go to. But we're not going to today. So, alright. Find a way out. Oh yeah, she knows where we're going now. Girl, find a way out. Good girl. Easy. Okay. Easy, easy. This dog's nuts like me, so it works out pretty good most of the time. Good girl. Yeah, good girl. That's a good girl. Good girl. All right, let's go. Forward. Left. Yep. Good girl. All right, and we're off, heading back to the house. All right, guys, and we're back at the levee. Going up. Girl. I don't hear anybody. That's good. Left. Good girl. So she's going to stop at a point up here that lines me up with my street, which is that sign y'all probably see up there on the left. Find it. Find it, good girl. Yep. Good girl. Okay, forward. All right, and we're going down. And we tend to fly, so it's bouncing, sorry. Find it. Up to it. Yep. Good girl. All right, hold on a sec. Forward. No cars. It's so windy. It's quite hard to hear today. And back on my street. Stomach fine left. Oh, good girl. Forward. Alright. Good girl. I'm just 3 houses off the corner, so it's not far at all. Alright, girl, fine left. There you go. Find it. Good girl. Good girl. Alright guys, and we have just got to the house, so if you like my videos, please click subscribe and the like button, and also click the notification bell so you can see what else is coming on Blind Chris Outdoors. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great one.